Today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Amazon Prime subscription. Whether you're looking to save some money or just don't need the service anymore, I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, let's open Amazon. If you're using a browser, type in amazon.com or open the Amazon on your device. Now let's log into your Amazon account. Simply log in if you haven't logged in. Input your email or mobile number and password, then click sign in. Once you're logged in, let's access your account settings. Click on your profile and from that drop down, select account. Now here you can manage your Prime membership. Look for the section that says your Prime membership and click on it. Now there you can simply click on end membership. Scroll down to the option that says cancel membership or end membership. Click on it. Amazon will then show you a summary of your membership benefits and the remaining days. Review that information correctly. Click on continue to cancel and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. And that's it. You've successfully cancelled your Amazon Prime subscription in 2024.